this World Food Day, we celebrate the hands that nurture our land and the hearts that feed the world. At SAWIE Agriculture, we understand that the future of food depends on sustainability. We blend tradition with cutting-edge technology to create solutions for today's challenges, but at the heart of it all, it is the farmers who drive our mission forward. Every seed they plant, every crop they harvest, fuels the world. Together, we stand with them, empowering their efforts and transforming agriculture. Behind every harvest lies science. At SAWIE, we focus on research and innovation, using data to enhance crop productivity, improve soil health, and ensure a sustainable future for agriculture. From lab to land, our solutions aim to optimize every aspect of farming. Beyond the fields, our impact touches lives. From markets to dinner tables, SAWIE Agriculture's innovations are helping feed families, nourish communities, and build a more food-secure future. Our mission is simple: support farmers, nourish the world. Together, we build a food-secure future for generations to come on this World Food Day. Join us in our mission to create a sustainable, food-secure world. Please install the SAWIE mobile application from the Play Store for more information and updates. Also, subscribe to the SAWIE YouTube channel.